how to get rid of the past baggage of samskaras. At the same time, how it is possible not to form samskaras. Namaste everyone. How to remove complexities and impurities from our system. Whether you are working or not working, but when you are passing through, even while walking to a market, versus if you are passing through a temple or we are passing through some garden or you are walking around in a mall or you happen to visit a funeral place or a hospital. I mean, all these places where you may have nothing to do whatsoever, yet, whether you like it or not, your mind will be affected according to the environment you have been exposed to. Knowingly or unknowingly, we go on like a sponge, absorbing the impacts of the environment. Thought pollutions, feelings of others, emotions of others, all these things unknowingly we also capture. Imagine many things that happens because of our direct involvement also. Suppose you had an argument with someone, and because of that, how your mind and heart gets impressed. Day after day, when similar thing happens with similar people, then you say, oh no, something is wrong and I am being burdened with so much of so-called garbage. Samskaras, just as they can be bad, there are good samskaras also. According to yoga, all kinds of samskaras, be they good or be they bad, samskaras are the seeds for our future. When we have good samskaras, we enjoy better future. When we have bad samskaras, we have a bad future. When we are a mixture of good and bad, accordingly our life evolves in the future. Yoga has a different approach though. Yoga says, I would like to have zero future life. I don't want to be born again and again. It is the samskaras that brings us back. So, be they good or be they bad, they don't serve the ultimate purpose. So, how to get rid of the past baggage of samskaras? At the same time, how it is possible not to form samskaras? When these samskaras repeated again and again because of our actions or inactions, they form what we call vrittis. Vritti is a key factor in yoga. When we understand yoga, according to Patanjali, he said yoga means chitta vritti nirodha. Freeing your chit, your consciousness from all these vrittis, all these tendencies, is the purpose and means called yoga. Now in meditation, and especially through this heartfulness way of cleaning, we are slowly, to the extent we are able to tolerate the absence of samskaras, we go on undergoing this process till our heart is satisfied. Every evening, we sit peacefully, having returned back from our work. Sit for 20 minutes with an idea, with a sankalpa, that all these complexities and impurities are going away from my system. And once we see the unloading of the samskaras, you'll be feeling so pure, you'll be feeling so simple inside. You'll enjoy this lightness at the end of such cleaning processes. You can also request a preceptor, a trainer of Heartfulness Way, so that he can also give you an individual attention, individual training, how to get out of these uh, samskaras. Tendencies, or what we call vrittis, they are the cause of our pravrittis. All our activities are based on our tendencies. And based on our pravrittis, a certain level of prakriti or nature is created within us. And it is because of this continuity of who I am with thoughts and actions and attitudes that defines my prakriti, who I am. Based on that, I am able to weave my destiny, my prarabdha. So, vritti, pravritti, prakriti, and prarabdha, they are all interconnected. So, if we remove these vrittis masterfully, then what happens? Then the prakriti will change. And based on the change of prakriti, you will also further weave a proper prarabdha in life. Another way of understanding the samskara business is conditioning. How we condition ourselves right from our conception, then growing up as a toddler, teenager, and an adult. We are influenced by grandparents' conditioning, parents' conditioning, teachers' conditioning, societal conditioning. Everything affects us. Then one wonders who I really am. If my belief system, my dogmas, my faith is conditioned, then who really am I in this whole process? So I had to get rid of all this conditioning and come to my true self. And this can happen through daily cleaning, and one day we realize that yes, it is making sense day by day that I got to uncondition myself and remain absolutely neutral. It is in this neutrality, it is in this state of moderation that we attain peace. And peace has its own consequences, which I would like you all to experience.